In this video, we explain what functions we provide for driving downhill with CommandPRO. There are several automatic functions to protect the tractor components and to control the vehicle. Is it safe for the transmission and other components to brake by pulling back CommandPRO when driving downhill? Yes, it is. In that case, the engine speed is automatically limited to 2,500 RPM, so that the transmission and drivetrain are not damaged. This functionality increases the lifetime of the components. If I want to further limit engine speed during transmission deceleration, I can use the max engine speed setting on the engine page. When I set a limit here, engine speed does not go much above it, even during transmission deceleration. How hard the tractor decelerates can be adjusted through the acceleration level. Is it safe for the operator to brake by pulling back CommandPRO when driving downhill? If the trailer begins to push the tractor detects this and limits transmission deceleration. This stabilizes the tractor-trailer combination but does not necessarily reduce vehicle speed as expected. Use the brake pedals to slow down further. Press both brake pedals and push CommandPRO forward simultaneously to stretch the trailer-tractor combination. When I move the joystick forward while I press the brakes, the tractor tries to hold the speed constant against the brakes. When I move the joystick further into the detent, the tractor tries to accelerate against the brakes. I can modulate vehicle acceleration through the applied brake force. For your own safety, always select appropriate speeds when driving downhill. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do you have questions or proposals for further tutorial videos? Then leave a comment in the comment box and we'll try to make it happen.